welcome back to another video. So it's been a couple of days. We're actually going to church, so I'm getting ready for church. I don't even know where to start. So we actually had, unfortunately, we're like in flood warning, and unfortunately our basement got flooded, and unfortunately a lot of my husband's collectibles got ruined. So hopefully it's blurred out, but the background of my videos right now are a hot mess of his clothes and all his stuff, because he literally kept everything downstairs, which sucks because now everything is partially, destroyed. But I'm keeping it, like everything happens for a reason. He's not so much. He's like, what could possibly be the reason for all my stuff to get destroyed? But yeah, it does really suck though. But yeah, we are, again, I said we're going to church. We were supposed to have a garage sale this weekend, if you guys remember, but my mom has COVID, so she hasn't been over all week because she has COVID. So there's that. Yeah, it's just been things are just not meant to be, right? Kind of weak. That's what it really feels like. So I'm just going with the flow right now. Yeah, it kind of makes me not even want to pack for Disney. I know that's crazy, but it's just I've been in a funk, I guess, because of everything that keeps happening. It just kind of sucks. But yeah, my daughter's birthday is coming up, so I am also getting stuff ready for that. I don't know if I should keep my hair down or just put it back. Kind of want to put it back because it is supposed to be hot today, and my church air conditioner is not the greatest. So I think I am going to just kind of twist it back. Yeah, I did wax my armpits last night, which always feels so good to be nice and refreshed. But yeah, guys, that is what's been going on. That's where I've been not here. It's just a lot going on, and I'm just kind of like overwhelmed, overstimulated. Yeah, just going with the flow of life. That's just how life is. Things just happen. But it does suck. It just you just kind of keep giving. But yeah, I'm drinking decaf coffee because I can't drink coffee because it makes my stomach hurt, and because of anxiety. So I guess what we'll have to do. I miss coffee. Alright, let me change, and then I gotta get my little one changed, and my husband has to get ready as well. So my daughter's nice and dressed already, and I did her hair and everything, and then I realized, my husband's getting ready right now, that I haven't eaten. I made breakfast for them and I didn't eat anything. It's just so hard. I don't want my stomach to hurt. This stomach issue and there's all these other issues that I've been having ever since everything happened make me not excited for food. Food is not exciting. Food is like a drag now. Okay, so we just got out of church. We're at Dunkin' Donuts. They usually have cupcakes and stuff, and they did, but my husband wasn't a fan of the frosting that they had on it because it had red dye. So here we are at Dunkin' Donuts getting my toddler a donut because she was having a fit because she wanted a donut. She was literally asking us for a donut the entire service. But yeah, our normal pastor wasn't there today. It was actually his dad, so it was a little bit less I don't know how to explain it. The older generation, they preach differently than the newer one, but the newer one is very much our vibe, I guess you could say. But it's okay. It's really taking long with these dang donuts. We've been sitting here for a while. But after this, we are actually going to go to Marshall's and Target and probably Ross. We need to buy socks. Socks for my daughter to wear with her flats and church shoes, and also socks because there was a hamper full of socks in the basement which flooded which he didn't want to wash all those socks. He's like, no. So we're just gonna buy some new socks. And socks are expensive now, so this is gonna be fun. Who loves going shopping for socks? Okay, so now we are at Goodwill. My husband's inside. Me and my daughter are chilling. Well, I'm ready to take a nap, but she fell asleep at Target. So, yeah, I forgot to look at socks at Target. I'll share with you guys what we picked up at Marshall's, Ross, and Target. Once we get home, I don't feel like cooking. It is already, 6 o'clock, and I told my husband, let's get some Chinese food. I have a taste for it. Tasted okay. So we are gonna head out there soon. But right now he's in Goodwill, looking around. I really wanted to actually go inside this one, but little human is asleep, which will completely kick us in the butt later because she's not gonna want to go to sleep on time or early, and we have to be up early tomorrow because I have a chiropractor appointment tomorrow. So yeah, that's fun. And I need to go to Aldi tomorrow as well, which you guys will probably come along with me as well in this vlog. Yeah, probably, most likely, maybe. So we ended up going to Target. Let me show you guys what we picked up at Target first. It's gonna be kind of minus a couple of things just because some of the stuff are going to be for my daughter's birthday. I'll just show you, I guess. I got some paper, table covers. This is going to be for like little gift bags, but I just wanted to show you kind of that really quick. And so I picked up 2 pants for my daughter at Target. I should have got more. They were 30% off. I should have really got more. But it didn't really have 5T, and I wanted to get 5T for next year. So I just got 3T for this year that will fit her nicely under her dresses, even as we go into winter. I'm looking for stockings. I got some on Amazon, waiting for those obviously to come in. And then we went again, I'll show you guys in a second, to Marshall's and Ross to look for socks for flats for her, but I couldn't find any. Is that just like something from like back in the day or something? But at Target we also picked up some antibacterial wipes. Antibacterial wipes, again, for cleaning downstairs, really good. And that's really all we picked up at Target, and some paper towels that are over there that I'm not gonna go grab, but those are for our bathrooms. We use those for those. And I ended up buying 2 of these. They're like the jumbo ones. There was $4.99. I got 2 for my daughter's Polly Pockets and mini Barbie Land stuff. All right, so and I got these for my daughter, but these are actually for my daughter. And then we went to Marshall's, and they had the Born This Way foundation. This foundation is like $48, $38 at Sephora and Ulta. So I got 3 shades. I got Snow, Natural Beige, Vanilla. I was gonna get Light Beige, but I ended up leaving that one. But I could mix anybody's complexion with these 3 shades. I love this foundation. It is really good. Again at Marshall's, I got these socks for my daughter. They have little kind of like cute little things and no grip on the bottom. Again, I want these for her flats and her dressier shoes. If you guys know where I can find dressy socks, let me know, because I couldn't really find any. And then I also picked up these little kind of like high socks for her little dresses. I just got one of a pack of 3 to see if she even likes how this feels. We'll see. I have not been able to find her purple Crocs for over a year, and then I finally found them, and these are so cute. When she saw them, she got so excited. So we got some Crocs. Again, we went for socks, so my husband got 2. And then we went to Ross. These are amazing, 10 out of 10. We bought the last one. I got 1 thing of socks, and then my husband got another one of socks. I have really bad anxiety, so I got these to try out and see how they work with me. And then I also got, well, my daughter wanted this sticky burger real peel. I don't know what that means, but I guess we'll find out, right? My husband got this thing. He also did get 3 action figures at Target. I just don't know where that is right now. My husband loves these, so he got 2 of these, and then my daughter loves these. These are our guilty given pleasure. All right, let me just go set up the food. Since you guys, I'm starving. All right, that is it for today's part of the video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day and we woke up at 10:10, and that was just like, I don't know why I woke up, because my alarm was on, but it was on silent. So we just woke up. It was like, again, 10:10, and then we have to leave by 11. It is now 10:59. I got myself and my daughter ready. Obviously no breakfast, good thing we got donuts yesterday. My husband's probably gonna pick up coffee on the way. My appointment's at 11:30 and the place is like 20 minutes away, so we're okay on time as long as my husband comes outside like right now. I didn't even do my hair. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna look like today. The good thing is I have curly hair, so I'm used to like a little flyaways, but it's okay. It's all right. My baby looks cute though. Can't show you, but she looks beautiful. Okay, so we went to Five Below, we went to a Ross, a Goodwill, but these are all like by my house, not by my house, like 30 minutes away from our house. So right now we are going to Aldi, which is in the same little perimeter circle thing, so it makes life so much easier. My daughter, we got this at Goodwill, this little giraffe thing, and now she's like obsessed. It was only $3, so of course she got it. Hey guys, so we are back home now. Let me quickly share with you guys what we picked up. Just a very quick overview. I am gonna have a video on it on TikTok, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, I have two. Please follow me on TikTok. But let me quickly just share with you guys what we got. I don't want this video to be too long, so let me just quickly show you. So I got chicken, we got some beans, some strawberries, some Texas toast, some spinach, some celery, some cucumber, some asparagus, some pork sausage, bell peppers, you know, a little bit of everything. I know it's like a horrible haul, but again, I am having that on my TikTok, so follow me on TikTok. Then we did go to the dollar store, and I picked up some beauty stuff that is new, again on TikTok, but we also got this hamper, which I am excited for, which I'm annoyed because this was the same exact one. It was like $4.99 at Aldi, and we got this for $10 at Marshall's. There. But yeah, let me just put this stuff away. I did get some books as well. I'll share with you guys in a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and make my husband's lunch. I'm gonna do boil 6 eggs. This is going to be for the next 3 days. So I'm gonna make some boiled eggs, some chicken sausages, and I'm also gonna do 3 wraps for him for the next 3 days. You know, 1 each day, with probably ham, turkey, cheese, and spinach. Let's get started. Coffee for the next couple of days, well, my husband's, and then I'll make mine too, which is decaf, unfortunately. Okay, and my husband's lunch is done. I've been watching Harry Potter and rewatching Harry Potter for like 2 weeks. Anyways, but his wrap, his 2 sausage ketchup, Chick-fil-A sauce, and then his eggs, and now he has lunch for the next 3 days. I'm about to actually make our celery, cucumber, and apple cider vinegar drink that he takes in the morning as well, along with his coffee and water. Now I'm gonna make my celery drink. So I literally, since this one's kind of a big cucumber, I am doing 5 stalks of celery and probably a whole cucumber. I say probably because I kind of eyeball it now to see what I'm going to need in here. So I'm going to do that. I like shading it so it's not like chunky. And then I bought these on Amazon and I put them in there, and me and my husband grab one every day, 1 or 2 depending on how you feel. Sometimes he takes 2 because they're actually really refreshing as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Picked up this word search devotional for nighttime before bed, and I thought this was super duper cute. I can't wait to start using it. And then I also picked up this not Marshall's, at Ross, right? Ross, yeah. And then I also picked up this God Does Extraordinary Things in the midst of ordinary days calendar planner, which I love. So I'm so excited for these new finds. They're so pretty, right? Alright guys, I'm gonna call this a vlog. My phone's actually telling me I have it I need to delete stuff, which is crazy because this phone actually has a lot of space. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete a lot of things, edit this video, and get it out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I know this one's a little bit of a long one. I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave this emoji if you are still here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.